all action midfielder, ne-power, ne-strength, uquick. Hugo Bros yamthanda umjida ebithanda ukwenza izisquad kuza preliminary squads efethu umaphangula. Kaizer Chiefs ijonge phi andiyazi bafethu, nankuya umjida be-regular kuPolokwane City bafethu, udlale like 28 games last season. Top player, discipline, suke Limpopo. Kaizer Chiefs, what is the delay? Jonge phi andiyazi. So yeah, those are the three problem areas Kaizer Chiefs supposed by signing players for zona. Ngalo mzuzu siline announcements ngoba bafethu ayiziphelelanga signings bafethu. Kaizer Motaung Junior andiyazi kutheni slow bafethu. Le iwe Kaizer Chiefs fans aziyifuni bafethu. Esi slow pace ka Kaizer Motaung Junior bafethu sicaphukisa fans Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Sikhoza unrest apha ki fan base. In my opinion, I think Kaizer Chiefs need more than 3, maybe 5 signings, but maybe stick up ugly 3 bafethu. This is minimum. Welcome back to the channel bafethu. Igama lami nguseko, uFootball SA lona bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, 3 more signings the club needs. Kulate machida. Yazi indlela kulate ngayo bafethu. Even nawo ngoku na record le video. 3 more njonga pha ezindabeni njonga Kaizer Chiefs inga-announce iplayer ngoku as basithethe. Just before kanye after I published the video bafethu kulate machida. So far Kaizer Chiefs announced 2 players mosman as new signings. Announced uThabo Molosana, announced about Ronaldo Lina, goalkeeper from Sekhukhune United, ikikile na contract Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Apha kule video namhlanje bafethu ngi-addressa i-3 problem positions, i-urgent positions Kaizer Chiefs supposed by signing players for zona. And ezi position ezi based on i-technical report ibinikwe yi-former coach, co-coach bibhala season yafinisha number 3. Ben Khalil Youssef iyawanikisa i-technical report Kaizer Chiefs. Zonke coaches zayenza la wiki teams, but okay, here's the technical report, but this is how we performed this season. This is how the squad looks, and these are the areas, these are the positions a team need the players new signings for. This is where you need to strengthen the signings so that the team is on a high level. Apho kula report bakho 5 positions bafethu. Goku there's 3 more to go bafethu positions. Apha kule video ngizochaza amagama Kaizer Chiefs suppose bayawa sign for eza positions bafethu. Number 1 of 3 signings efuneka zilandele bafethu i-winger. Indaba ezigrand Kaizer Chiefs isenza i-moves already for sign i-winger bafethu. Khona report ibiphumile from i-source reliable esithembileyo apha ku Football SA bafethu. One of the leading journalists apha eMzantsi bafethu uMthokozisi Dube ki-Far Post benguye journalist of the year pha ku SAFJA. Your report by Kaizer Chiefs in the approach Stellenbosch FC for one of the best wingers up in Mzansi bafethu. Langelihle Phili, 21-year-old winger Stellenbosch FC, a junior international South Africa bafethu winning AFCON under-20 last year. Winger is creator goals, a scorer goals, a quick, a skill, a confidence, a character, a personality, and a discipline. A report biphume ku Far Post ithi bafethu. And the report iphume the day before Kaizer Chiefs announced by release George Matlo. George Matlo be involved upon the report. Kaizer Chiefs are learning just how difficult it will be to land Stellenbosch FC sensation Langelihle Phili with the Cape Winelands outfit valuing their star winger in the region of 16 million. So Kaizer Chiefs in the approach in Stellenbosch, okay, and this is the valuation, 16 million the player. Amakosi have gone to considerable lengths to secure the 21-year-old, tabling an offer that included Ashley Dupreez, George Matlo, and a substantial cash sum. However, the Winelands outfit has remained unmoved, so Kaizer Chiefs tabled an offer for Langelihle Phili. In early June, Far Post reported that Chiefs sought to capitalize on Stellenbosch FC's long-standing admiration for Dupreez by proposing a player plus cash deal. Staley's coach Gavin Hunt is understood to be a keen admirer of the speedy forward Dupreez and is eager to bring him back to the club. But Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ayivayanga grand. Stellenbosch khange ivume i-offer yonikisa uDupreez plus no George Matlo plus nela cash. Asiyazi ba imalini, but Stellenbosch ifuna i-16M. Kaizer Chiefs as things stand ayikamtholi uphili bafethu. Kaizer Motaung Junior bafethu unale tendency unalento bayakuse i-deals akaziwelise umca. Get the deals done. Kaizer Motaung Junior bafethu unale wiba hey uyasokolisa okanye uyacotha unale slow pace ba uvala i-deal. So yeah, Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ezinto zemile ngoku ayikamtholi uphili, ayimtholi uphili unless ba announcement ingangena ngoku before ngipublish le video. Ukhona no plan B bafethu, ukhona no option B Kaizer Chiefs emtargetayo. Iclubs zenza lo way bafethu. Xa utargeta i-player, you must not target i-player one for a position. Xa ufuna i-player for a certain position, you must have option A, option B, option C, because i-football transfers bafethu depend on negotiations, and negotiations involve people. Kukho i-player for i-personal terms, ba i-player funeka ivume i-personal term ba okay, salary, signing on fee, how many years the contract, and then phinde bekhona agents nazo funeka zivume i-deal, phinde bekhona club to club agreement. So it's not easy. That's why clubs funeka zibe option A, option B, option C xa zifuna usana i-player. Kaizer Chiefs, good news is that in our option B and I is an equally talented winger. TS Galaxy kuthiwa nguSeluleko Mahlambi, younger brother kaPhakamani Mahlambi. Now similar to OP, a winger of medium to short height, very enterprising, good turn, good touch, very quick, can score, can create goals. Kaizer Chiefs twice approach with TS Galaxy, but it deal like Ashlanganis, Kaizer Motaung Junior. Why does it take long? That is option B. Option C, even Ukona Bafit. Option C Ubani is the more experienced Keletso Mahalo Bafitu. Talk Keletso Mahalo, Yafunu Hamba Sekokune United, if you like a big club, Funu like a big club, when I experience a big club, former Mamelodi Sundowns winger. So 8 years players i3 bafethu siyibone natural na kanjani bafethu. If ngophili Mahlambi, if Mahlambi nguKeletso Mahalo. And then the second of 3 positions bafethu Kaizer Chiefs afuneka sign a player for zona left back. Kaizer Chiefs idinga signing a left back as bayitshilo ne technical report ka Ben Khalil Youssef. Nkanyiso Shinga khanga lenze ixesha, it was not good enough. UPaseka Mako engathi ayisengula Paseka Mako wayengo Orlando Pirates. Kaizer Chiefs ne left back eyi-1 qha ngoku Bradley Cross. Zithini options bafethu, i-1 option I believe ibikhona bezi-2 but uNeo Rapport Orlando Pirates winile la race. Pirates assign our rapport, so ngokusheke 1 top left back, a Kaizer Chiefs quality, Kaizer Chiefs level, uVuyo Letlapa, Sekhukhune United bafethu. Very powerful left back, une speed, une power nyanyana mjita, une height. Why linked in the Kaizer Chiefs again, and as Kaizer Motaung Junior wayiphunqula njani lewe uVuyo Letlapa so Jomo Cosmos why Sekhukhune United guy Kaizer Chiefs. Sekhukhune United yawina i-race bafethu yabhitha Kaizer Chiefs to uVuyo Letlapa. Kaizer Chiefs ngoku should be making the deal ngoku. Why? What's the delay? Asiyazi bafethu. Why? What is the delay? Asiyazi bafethu. But Kaizer Chiefs should be signing him bafethu. Neo Rapport is gone. Kaizer Chiefs did not move quick enough. Vuyo Letlapa should be next. And then number 3 of 3 signings Kaizer Chiefs should be signing for the positions is a midfielder. Ben Khalil Youssef can't be specific, but okay, Jonga. Central midfield when you're attacking midfielder. What a midfielder car. But option 1 and 9 bafethu mna. He player a versatile out lane bafethu. He can play as a central midfielder and he can play as an attacking midfielder. In fact, is a specialist bafethu. He's specialist in one bafethu. He player ne ezinye players ezidlala same position azikwazi ukwenza izinto le player kwazi uzenza kula position bafethu. uJamie Webber bafethu in terms of central midfielders, inqabile central midfielders is attacking, as direct, as forward thinking njengoJamie. uJamie bafethu central midfielder number 8 udlala ezingathi number 10 kanye ngathi striker la out bafethu. Umshita udlala ki front foot la out bafethu. Always passing forward, he's always running forward, he's driving with the ball. When you're making runs into the box, scoring goals with Jamie bafethu. I think Laut he scores more than he assists Laut, and Lena number 8 central midfielder le. Kaizer Chiefs should be signing with Jamie bafethu, top player. Now again nayo Kaizer Chiefs ay linked no Jamie and yazi yamfambalisha kanjani again yamphuncu wasuka kuSekhukhune United wahamba America ngoku Jamie second division America dlala iThuslo. But the contract yakhe yaphela ngoDecember. Kaizer Chiefs, Kaizer Motaung Junior ulinde ntoni ujongephi andiyazi bafethu. Top player uJamie bafethu. Central midfielder come attacking midfielder. Uyibona phi lo specialist uspecial umjida. Scores goals. What is the delay? Kaizer Chiefs, what is the delay? And there's number fit. It should be happening. They should be making the announcement. Jamie Webber, Kaizer Chiefs, Kaizer Motaung Junior. Option 2 upper play position bafethu nguNeo Maema also was linked with the Kaizer Chiefs or so Sundowns were on loan with Simba last season in Tanzania. Yaphela contract yakhe Sundowns ayimnika contract entsha. Neo was an attacking midfielder. Umjito ufuna ukubuyela eMzansi, but ke Kaizer Chiefs bad news kuthiwa iSimba ngoku uqala negotiations for umsigner on a permanent deal because Sundowns iphelile contract yakhe. Kaizer Chiefs ijongephi ilinde ntoni Kaizer Motaung Junior, what is happening? uNeo Maema ufuna ukubuyela eMzansi, ufuna udlala iKaizer Chiefs, wayechilo wathi ba Kaizer Chiefs ifamily yakhe support Kaizer Chiefs, umjito nomdla ukujola iKaizer Chiefs, Kaizer Motaung Junior. Buti yilo umuntu bafethu proven better premiership player, scores goals, creates goals, uyazi le league akazodinga ixesha lo adapter, uyazi big club, uyazi pressure, expectation, the level big club. Akazodinga ixesha lo-adapta kuloo nto bafethu. Uyazi Kaizer Chiefs uzofumana i-playing time bafethu, because number 10 we-Kaizer Chiefs ngumduduzi Tshabalala, bangasherisha i-minutes. Gaston Soriano naye if uhleli, so playing opportunities zikhona pha. Uneo Mayema ngabona bangayiwina la position abe number 1 choice Kaizer Chiefs. And then another option la position central midfield bafethu kuthiwa ngathi linked to Kaizer Chiefs, especially fans of Kaizer Chiefs. Ngifuna Shosho Umjida, playing Maromo Gallants, Ibrahim Banse was Ivory Coast. Contract yakhe neMaromo Gallants iyaphela, Kaizer Chiefs ijonge iphi lindephi. But andikho sure bafethu ngo-Ibrahim Banse. Yazi ezinye fans of Kaizer Chiefs ngifuna Shosho Umjida because technical Umjida exciting bone, indlela adlala ngayo, left footer Umjida, like it's almost like similar style sakhe, similar to abo the legend edlala iSundowns uFetumba, uRoger Fetumba. Umjida uphakela mold injeyana uIbrahim Banse. But I think now too similar to Abu Thabo Cele. Like Umjida is not an all-action midfielder. Umjida like a controller, Umjida a technician. So I think Thabo Cele unjeya. So I'm not sure about Kaizer Chiefs signing uBanse. Again, njengoba kuthiwa Kaizer Chiefs yasayina bafethu. Any fans Chiefs yamfuna Ntswempu Umjida. So maybe create excitement nge-team. Ibrahim Banse, Kaizer Chiefs lile ntoni ijonge iphi na andiyazi bafethu. Those are 3 options for central midfield bafethu. Khona neyesine bafethu option engayifaka apha, central midfielder. Betway Premiership proven bafethu. Umjida na 3 seasons like Betway Premiership. Bafana international bafethu. Umaphangule nemandulo bani igama lakhe lomjida. Umaphangule Polokwane City bafethu. All action midfielder, ne power, ne strength, quick. Hugo Bros yamthanda umjida, ebithanda ukwenza izisquad, kuza preliminary squads bafethu. Umaphangule Kaizer Chiefs ijonge phi andiyazi bafethu. Nankuya umjida be regular kuPolokwane City bafethu. Udlale like 28 games last season. Top player, discipline, suke Limpopo, Kaizer Chiefs. What is the delay? Jonge phi andiyazi. So yeah, those are the 3 problem areas Kaizer Chiefs supposed by signing players for zona. Ngalo mzuzu siline announcements ngobafethu. Left back, central midfielder / attacking midfielder plus ne winger. Ayiziphelelanga ezi signings bafethu. Kaizer Motaung Junior andiyazi kutheni slow bafethu. Le iwe Kaizer Chiefs fans aziyifuni bafethu. Esi slow pace ka Kaizer Motaung Junior bafethu sicaphukisa i-fans e-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Sikhoza unrest apha ki-fan base. In my opinion, I think Kaizer Chiefs need more than 3, maybe 5 signings, but maybe stick up ugly 3 bafethu. This is minimum.